오! 아니 갑자기 왜 뛰어다니는 갑자기 와.
Who are you? Handsome boy.
No! No! We not about to do this, my guy. No! Stop!
Like a chef, I'm a 5-star Michelin. 미의 정점을 찍고 눈에 보여 illusion. Looking like a chef, I'm a 5-star Michelin.
What?
미의 정점을 찍고 눈에 보여 illusion.
What? Hold on, my man's came in hot. What? The little smooth flow, bro. He said cooking like a chef. I'm a 5-star Michelin. Did the camera just like won't? Like what? I like that. Hold up. Man coming straight out of a Tekken game, but alright.
Like a chef, I'm a 5-star Michelin. 미의 정점을 찍고 눈에 보여 illusion. Looking like a chef, I'm a 5-star Michelin.
Bro, looking like a chef, I'm like a 5-star Michelin, bro. Spit that bars, bro. A lot of makeup, man.
But the voice,
Oh my god, that scared the shit out of me, bro.
Look when he comes.
Yeah, it's like
Looking like a chef, I'm a 5-star Michelin. 미의 정점을 찍고 눈에 보여. Looking like a chef, I'm a 5-star Michelin. 미의 정점을 찍고
Boys,
Listen here. Listen, child, you can't be singing like that.
No rumble.
I can't even hear it. That's my favorite part.
I'm a 5-star Michelin. 미의 정점.
Nah, you
I didn't
know, but did you
expect
see how
that-
deep his voice is?
I didn't expect that huge voice from such like a young looking person.
Wow. His voice is well deep.
Jeez.
Looking like a chef, I'm a 5-star Michelin. 미의 정점을 찍고 눈에 보여 illusion. Looking like a chef, I'm a 5-star Michelin. 미의 정점을 찍고 눈에 보여 illusion.
I'm a 5-star Michelin. Oh my dude.
Chef, I'm a 5-star Michelin. 미의 정점을 찍고 눈에 보여 illusion.
What I mean?
Looking like a chef, I'm a 5-star Michelin. 미의 정점을 찍고 눈에 보여 illusion.
How is your voice that deep?
I beg your pardon.
Who is this man? Why is his voice that deep? He hit puberty at 2 years old.
Looking like a chef, I'm a 5-star Michelin.
Looking like a chef on a 5-star Michelin. Looking like a chef on a 5-star mission.
This nigga got the deepest voice I've ever heard in my life. Bro, why is his voice that damn deep? His voice don't match his face. Look at his face and you tell me you expecting that. You tell me you looking at that man and you tell me you was expecting what was coming out this nigga's mouth. That's fucking cap. Bro, why is your voice that deep, dog?
5-star Michelin. 미의 정점을 찍고 눈에
Looking
보여
like a
illusion.
chef, I'm a 5-star Michelin. His voice is on a 5-star James Earl Jones. You know Mufasa?
Looking like a chef, I'm a 5-star Michelin.
Oh, you could really be Mufasa out this hole.
Simba.